Hi, this is Leon at the computer room, Nottingham. What I've got here is a short part movie for the Power Flex cable assembly for iPad 2. This is it from sort of the top with all the switches that you can see here, and then all the way around you can see that one component there in the connector. That's pretty much it really. There are quite a few things that this loom does connect to. Now the item is available on our website to be sent in the post, or it can be collected from us in person. But if you've got any questions about the item or anything else that you've seen on the website, please do give us a call or email us.